fences to their advantage. They run their prey into the fence. And that's why often you'll find our dogs with kills close to fence lines. The monkeys calling in the background. Obviously calling about all the jackals and dogs around here. I'm going to loop around here and see, something else happening around here, and then we'll try to find a place. Yeah, you can see there's two eating there, there's some eating here.
What's this guy eating here?
That's the leftovers of a young wildebeest. They've taken bits and pieces all over the place here for them to nibble on as they go around. Good help. There's also a call. And what that does is it basically sends the rest of the dogs into a trance where they actually all regurgitate food for the pups as well as for the other, basically the babysitter that's staying behind with the pups at the den.
There's a jackal here, right?
Yeah. Not all of them would be here at the, they'll all feed each other while this regurgitation.
But that is triggered by that cry that you...
Yeah, by the cries. It's going to become a bit of a game just now.